Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I am so excited to show you how to do 3 easy DIYs Halloween treat bags using paper lunch bags and parchment paper. For the ghost treat bag, you will need parchment paper, scissors, black marker, liquid glue. Make sure to use only liquid glue and not glue stick, paper clips, and treats of your choice. First, measure the size of the parchment paper you will need. Double the length and fold it in half. Second, outline your pumpkin with your black marker. I went over it twice so that my drawing is darker. Third, clip the corners and cut out the shape. Leave the side that has the folds on it uncut, like so. Fourth, go ahead and use your liquid glue to glue them together. Leave the wider portion of the pumpkin unglued so you can fill it with candies. Do not overfill your candies in this DIY pumpkin bag. You just need a few candies inside it. Once you have filled your bag, glue the ends like let your bag dry. Voila! Here is your first Halloween treat bag, ghost treat bag, and pumpkin bag. This is how to use this DIY Halloween treat bag. Just simply tear it and enjoy. So adorable and practical. Do not use glue sticks to stick the parchment paper together. It will not stick at all. You must use liquid glue. To make the witch broomstick treat bag DIY, you'll need paper lunch bags, scissors, long wooden dowel, mentos, and treats. On the first bag, cut midway through like so, leaving the bottom portion, and open it up. On the second bag, cut your bag until the end like so, again leaving the bottom portion, and open up your bag. Now go ahead, insert your first bag into the second bag like so. Fill it with some treats and tie your bag. Here I am using a ribbon that is similar in color to the bag. Finally, insert your wooden dowel or bristle. Voila, here is your DIY witch broomstick treat bag. For the third DIY, simply freehand draw onto your bag like so. And that's about it. Insert it with treats and tape it at the back. Voila, here is your quick and easy DIY Halloween treat bag. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my other quick and easy DIY Halloween decorations tutorials. You will be glad that you did. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.